So on the 24th of April I was at Newcray calling Millerhill, so I wanted to see some of the trains around that area. However, my first catch today was 6K11, the 0828 direct rail service to Cove Signal MC862 from Millerhill SS with 66305.
Yes, it will be see my giant. I can kill myself in that. Oh my god, wagon! Sorry.
And then this is OZ70, the 0852 close reference service to Millerhill SS from Grangemouth Innes with 56087, 70807 and 70816. And then we moved to Millerhill to see my last catch today, which was 6K40, the early 1049 turned up at 1042, close for rail freight service to Symington GF from Millerhill SS with 56087 and 70814.